Hello everybody and welcome to the August Your Creative Studio unboxing. Now I'll be honest, this box came in the mail and Clara wanted to open it right away. She was very excited to get a package in the mail. So we went ahead and opened it, and we have had a peek at some of the items but not everything. And she did rip the paper a little bit trying to get into it. So full disclaimer, I have seen a few of the items, but I haven't opened anything yet. So I know that there is an adorable squirrel theme. Now, I'll be honest, squirrels are not my favorite thing, but I think that this kit is very well curated. So let's go ahead and pull everything out and take a look. So as I said before, there is a squirrel theme that flows very well through this entire kit. And I think that it was done in a way that was very mindful. I think it's a very great kit. So that there are a few squirrel items, like I said, very well curated, but it's not like super squirrel overload. So let's go ahead and open the exclusives. I love these exclusives. Amanda does an awesome job. So here is the first, and it is just a cute little squirrel. And I have noticed that her stamps have, they're in great condition. So I've never had any issues with her exclusive stamps working or giving a clear and crisp image. So here is another cutie. There is also this exclusive Your Creative Studio squirrel design little individual sheets. And these are really nice. They feel, there's a texture there that I can't quite place, but yeah, these are really cute. They're not sticker backed and they're not like a notepad. They're just like little note cards kind of. They're kind of adorable. And I love that they're on a cream color and not bright white. The next exclusive item, and I think it is the final, nope, we have one more exclusive item, but there is the sticker sheet. There are mushroom leaves, mushrooms, leaves, acorns, and then some squirrel images on there. These are super cute, and they're black and white and go with everything, and I believe they are a clear sticker. Yep. So those are really fun. And then the last exclusive is this notepad. I love how Amanda has been doing these exclusives. It really makes it feel really interesting and fun. And when you really love the designs, you just sort of fall in love with the whole kit. So let's see. There are 3 designs. There's this one, this one, and this one. And with these colors, this translates so well into the fall season. I think these are going to be really fun to use for journaling and adding quick little notes to packages. I don't know. These notepads are always really fun. So 5 exclusive items in this kit. How fun. All right, let's move on because there's quite a bit here. I thought this kit was pretty heavy in my opinion. I love all the items. So we have a super skinny washi tape that's got like a kind of like a leaf pattern on, and it's really thin and it's black and white. So that's super cute. Makes it really easy to use when there is not a whole lot of color variation going on. Next is this little package, and there's a squirrel on the cover, but I'm not 100% sure what the images are. So we've got, oh, these are fun. These are just like totally random. They're not tons of squirrels. We've got books and birds and homes, and we've got a North Pole cancellation, another one, a watch, a New York cancellation. These are all over the place. Got a Paris, a bunny, leaves, typewriter. These are all over the place. And then, of course, a squirrel. These are fun. I love this. I love that they're not, that this is just perfect to carry through autumn and into even winter time. Oh, there's a ink, a quill, a feather pen, and an ink bottle there. That's really cool. All right, next we have paper hidden copies is what it says. And they look like just different ticket prints. And this feels like it could be sticker paper. Let's see. Maybe not. Feels like it could be, but I don't think it is. Lots of colors there. So that's really fun. These are always really fun, and the size is fantastic. And I don't think they're numbered. They are numbered. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 31. So they edit it so that every single one has a number corresponding, so you could use these as like a date sticker, which is super interesting. That's really fun. I love that. All right, here we have a box. I use this thing all the time. This came in a previous Your Creative Studio kit, and I use it for everything. Oh, so we've got a bunch of tags. These are fun. So there's a craft version and then a regular full color illustrated version. And there's a lot in there. Perfect for sharing, which you guys know I love. All right, then we've got some postage stamp stickers. Had a little seizure there for a second. And I love these. These are just so much fun to use. And there's a ton here. It looks like you get 2 of each design. There's the squirrel, owl. Looks like it's all birds and wildlife. So I love that. Ooh, there's a bug in here. Get out of here. All right, then we have this lace tape, which is on a plastic backing to sort of protect the design. And these are really fun. I've used these in the past, and they can be very delicate and very finicky, but they're really fun and they're really pretty. Next, we have, I told you guys there was a lot in here. We have some tall and skinny antique book pages here, and ew, this bug is like gross. And a bunch of different paper designs. So it looks like you get a lighter craft and then a craft version of each one. So that's really fun. Lot there, very full pack. And then the last item is some handmade paper in a 6x6 size. You guys know how I feel about handmade paper, anything especially with florals or leaves in it, and this is just lovely. There are 5 sheets, and I feel like all of this is just very cohesive. Look how fun this is. Oh, baby boy's awake. I hear him at my feet, or I can feel him at my feet. So yeah, I think this is all gonna go very well together. I'm really excited about this one. So that is it for the unboxing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, but I will leave everything you need to find Your Creative Studio in the description box down below. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you later.